This method earned $7,000 in just 2 weeks and earned over $14,000 in just a month using Instagram. You don't need any followers for doing this, and it works in United States, Canada, India, Philippines and other parts of the world. Today I will show you a completely new method to make money online on Instagram, which can earn you anywhere from $7,000 to $14,000 per month on Instagram in pure passive income using this new method to make money online in 2022. And I will show you this proof in the end of this video, so keep watching. So step 1, I want you to come over to Instagram. You can do this on your computer, laptop, or on your mobile device, and I want you to create a completely new account for this method, so click on sign up here. The registration process is very simple and you can do it on your own, but once you log into your new Instagram account, then very important step, hover your mouse on profile icon and click on settings. Now scroll down and select switch to professional account from the left hand side, then select business on next page and then simply click this next button again. And on this page to select category, I want you to select product or service option and click on done. Then on the final page simply select don't use my contact info and you will be taken to your account profile page again. And for step 2, I want you to come to search bar and search for smart watches or digital watches. And as you can see, there are endless posts from different pages and accounts, but I want you to click on accounts section. And from there I want you to open any one of these accounts. Let's say I open this smart watch Ada account. As you can see, they have the best watch collection posts on their account and they have over 17,000 followers on their account. But you don't need any followers for this method to make money with Instagram 2022. Now I want you to click on Reels section of this account and you can see on an average their Reels cross over 15k views and some of them end up getting over 100k views over time. Like some of these reels crossed over 100k views, and some of them even crosses over 500,000 views or close to 500,000 views on a single reel. And this is a great opportunity for you to earn $14,000 per month because this page and many other pages like this are not using the new method to make money on Instagram, which I am going to reveal you in a minute. Now if you read their bio, you will get to know that they are monetizing their Instagram audience with their local shop in a specific country. And as you know that people from different countries all over the world use Instagram, this page is leaving a lot of money on the table. Also, they have just shared their WhatsApp link in their bio instead of a website link, and people generally used to trust a website link more than any social media links. But what if I say that there is a website which has unlimited stock of items like smart watches, etc., and people from different countries in the world can order things from that site? And the good thing is that for just sharing the link from that site once with pages like this, you will earn money. Isn't it awesome? So for the third step, I want you to come over to the site called dhgate.com. You will find the link of this site in the description and pinned comment under this video. DHgate is the world's leading online wholesale platform for goods made in China, connecting international buyers with Chinese wholesale sellers who offer the same quality products found elsewhere, but at relatively lower price. And not only wholesalers, but regular people like you and me can also buy things on this site. But don't worry, you don't need to buy anything or sell anything. This is not drop shipping or drop servicing. This is completely new method to make money with Instagram, which I will show you in the upcoming steps. DHgate has the secure payment system and they are trusted by reputed sites like Max Bounty, Share a Sale, and many other reputed companies. And it is available worldwide. And you can choose your country here from top right corner. And as you can see, you can use this site from any country all over the world. Now to share links from this site with Instagram pages to make money, you have to scroll down to the bottom and click on affiliate program under the partnership. As you can see, where the companies like Amazon pay you only 20% of maximum commission on sale, this site will pay you up to 51% commission per order. And the best part is that you will get $5 bonus for free when you bring first order. And if you get 20 order, they will give you $50 of bonus. And you can earn up to $1,000 in just bonus if you bring 300 or more orders. Also, you can take part in regular incentive plans for affiliates to make some more extra money. Now the fourth step is to register yourself. So click the first link in the description and it will take you to this page. Here you enter your email, create your password, check on this box and click create my account. Then on next page click on enter workplace. And on next page you can read these 3 points and after that check on this box and click activate free button. And when they will show you this box, just close it from here and this will be your affiliate dashboard where you can create links and can make money with them. Here you can find more than 200,000 products and you can choose from different categories of products like featured products, sample products, free shipping products, etc. But for this video I want you to choose smart watches. So simply type smart watches in the keyword box and click search and it will show you tons of smart watches with great designs and features. Now you can watch the items by clicking on them, and it will take you to the product page. Here you will find more information about the product, and you will be able to see its price and other details. And if you want to promote this product, then you need to come back to your affiliate dashboard again and just click get link under the same item you want to promote. Then on next page, just leave everything just like this and click on generate button, and on next page you will find your affiliate link. Now when a customer click on this link and places an order, you will earn a commission. You can copy the link by clicking only copy link button, and it will be copied to your clipboard. Step 5. There are 2 new methods to promote your affiliate link and earn $14,000 per month using Instagram. The first method is the easiest one, and the second method will make you more money than others. So starting with first method, you need to come over to Instagram again and open the smartwatch ADA page. Now you can either send them a message or you can contact them directly on their phone number, WhatsApp number, or their email ID. I generally use the WhatsApp number in this case for more trust, but you can choose whichever option you want to. Now you have to pitch this page owner to promote products from dhgate.com. You can write something like, "Hi, I saw your page on Instagram and I like your work. You have so many different category of watches which appeals to your audience very much. But I saw that you only sell your products in a particular area and only to the places near that area. And you are losing a lot of potential clients and a lot of money because of this reason. But don't worry, I know a reputed site which can help you to sell watches all over the world for free. You don't need to buy watches, you don't need to handle the stock of items, and you don't need to handle the shipping and delivery. The website will do all of this for you, and you don't need to spend even a penny for this. All you have to do is, whenever a client from another country or place, other than your local shop area, contacts you to buy the watch, you just need to share the smart watch links from the site called DHgate. And every time someone will purchase from your link, you will earn a commission, which can be from 3% to 51% per watch. Even if you sell 1,000 piece of smart watches, you can earn at least of $2,000 in just commissions, which you can withdraw in your bank account or different methods available on DHgate. You just have to create your affiliate account on this site and then go to your affiliate account. After that, search for smart watches in the search box and then click on get link under the product you want to sell to the customer and generate link for that product. That's it. After that, you will be able to earn commissions per watch you sell to your customers through your affiliate link. You can use this link to register. And here you have to insert your invitation link from dhgate.com, which you can copy from the account option on DHgate. Now just click on invitation link button over here and it will be copied to your clipboard, which you can paste next to this line. Now if they sell 1,000 watches in a month, which is very normal in this case because they get over 500,000 views on a single reel and they post reels every single day, they will make $2,000 per month in affiliate commission, and we will get 30% of their earnings, so we will earn $600 in referral commission just by sharing this link with them. They will do all the hard work like getting clients and selling them watches through affiliate link, and you will earn referral commission passively for their efforts. You just need 24 more pages like this to register on dhgate.com with your invitation link, and after that you can start to make $14,000 per month in pure passive income. So start contacting more and more smart watch pages until you get 24 pages to join through your invitation link. Now the second method to make money online with this is to create a smart watch Instagram page, and I will show you a secret to grow Instagram faster, so keep watching. First of all, you need to change your username and choose a username related to smart watches. After that, write a nice bio for your page. If you want, you can just copy the bio from other pages in smart watch niche. Then after this, you can start to download reels from different pages like Smart Watch ADA and upload them on your page. For this, you just need to copy the link of their reels and then type download IG reels in the Google. Select one of these sites and paste your link in this box on this site, and it will download the reels for you. After that, you can upload those reels to your page, but make sure you give credit to them in the description of these reels to avoid any copyright issues. Also, don't use the reels from one page only. Download the reels from different pages and then upload them to your page. And to grow your Instagram faster, first, you need to upload reels 2 to 3 times in a day after every 4 hours of gap, because Instagram is pushing the reels more to large audience, and even if you have 0 followers, you can get over 100k views on a single reels. Second, download only those reels which have proven to work, meaning which get over 100k views at least. And once your page start to get views, you just have to promote affiliate links from dhgate.com and you can start to make money online. Now as you can see, this publisher created DHgate affiliate account on 25th of June 2022. Until the 8th of July 2022, it has already produced over $7,000 in sales amount, $7,000 in just 2 weeks, and according to this, he will be able to earn over $14,000 in 1 month. That's it for today. If you want to make even more more money, then click on any one of the videos showing on the screen right now.